This one is like a little bit of a R&B track, XG in the Rain, and we did an XG track, and it's got a lot of requests off it, so I'll do another one. Let's get right on into it. In the Rain by XG.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head, head over heels, nothing I fear. Cause we had each other, fall through the weather. There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding in. Baby, it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? But my dude's still running in. Goodbye, goodbye. So you never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop, stop. Hands every time it drop, drop, drop. Each drop. Yeah, right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye, goodbye. Ain't no one will look back, look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Poured down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, 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 in the rain. Stop, stop, baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. Stop, baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. In the rain, in the rain, there's no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Wow. Yeah, so we saw them do like a more of a hip hop song last time. This is more of an R&B track, so we're getting to really see like what they can do, with there's seven girls in the group, so I imagine they could do a lot with that. I've really enjoyed this video. Both of the videos have been like super, super cool. The video is kind of giving me like Janet Jackson vibes a little bit. Yeah. And then like someone said TLC vibes, just very cool.
I got a little Aguilera vibe from one of the girls. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They sound really good together. I think in the comments what I found out about them is I think they're all Japanese. Don't kill me guys if I'm wrong. I'm trying my
We're
best.
learning
I
slowly.
think they're all Japanese and that's their first language, and then their second language is Korean. So English is their third language. So it's pretty amazing that they could sing that good
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
English being their third language. For me, yeah, this is a 9.5. Super enjoyable, man. Super well executed R&B track.
Yeah. I think this highlighted a lot for me. I enjoyed the video of the last one a little bit more, but this one was This one, yeah, I could put this on anytime. This is a feel good. I really enjoyed this one. I'm gonna go 9. I'm gonna go 9 with this one. But yeah, now I'm like really excited. What else do they do?
Oh yeah, we're gonna definitely get into some more. I think they had some electronica too. Maybe we'll do electronica track next time. All right, guys. I don't